Unlocking the mystery of hand in, a common English phrasal verb. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we'll delve into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on a very common one with in, hand in. Let's get started. Hand in is a phrasal verb that typically means to submit or deliver something to a person in authority. It's commonly used in the context of school or work. For instance, when you complete an assignment, you hand it in to your teacher. This action involves physically or electronically delivering your work for assessment. Example 1. I need to hand in my assignment by tomorrow. Example 2. Did you hand in your resignation letter to the HR department? Like all verbs, hand in can be used in different tenses. It's crucial to understand how the tense changes the form of this phrasal verb. Present tense. I hand in my assignments on time. Past tense. I handed in my application last week. Future tense. I will hand in my project report next Monday. Sometimes, hand in can be separated by the object of the verb, making it a split phrasal verb. This is especially common in conversational English. Example: don't forget to hand your homework in before leaving. Hand in also has a noun form. Hand in. It's used to describe the act of submitting something or the deadline for submitting something. Example: the hand-in for the project is next Tuesday. There are many synonyms for hand-in. You can use these words or phrases interchangeably to make your English more diverse and fluent. Submit, deliver, give in, turn in. Example: I will submit or deliver, give in, turn in, my essay by the end of the day. And there we have it. The phrasal verb, hand in, isn't so mysterious after all, is it? Now that you've got a firm grasp on its meaning, usage, variations, and synonyms, you're well on your way to mastering this common English phrasal verb. Practice it in your daily conversations and writing, and you'll become a pro in no time. Until next time, happy learning!